everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू जो लाती हूँ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू मेक योर लाइफ सिंपलर एंड ईजियर। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, अगर आप कनाडा में नए हैं तो आप अपना किचन और घर के बेसिक आइटम्स कैसे, तो अगर आपने अभी लैंड किया है, आप ज़्यादा स्पेंड नहीं करना चाहते, थोड़ा चूजी होना चाहते हैं और कम चीज़ें घर में रखना चाहते हैं और घर फिर भी सेटल करना चाहते हैं, इट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन बट योर आंसर इज वेरी इजी। आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ डॉलरामा के बारे में। तो डॉलरामा एक ऐसा स्टोर है जहाँ आपको कुछ भी मिल जाएगा। इनफैक्ट मैं आपको वहाँ लेके जाऊंगी ताकि आपको एक आइडिया लग सके कि वहाँ क्या क्या मिलता है और कैसे कैसे मिलता है। डॉलरामा की खासियत, एवरीथिंग इज प्राइस्ड बिटवीन $1 to $4 एंड यू गेट एवरीथिंग, लिटरली एवरीथिंग। द ओनली थिंग दैट यू कॉम्प्रोमाइज इज ऑन द क्वालिटी। तो आप क्या ले रहे हैं आपको वो डिसाइड। तो आइए मैं आपको डॉलरामा ले चलूं।
So guys, we're here at Dollarama. This is the logo. The open hours would vary, but this is for the one on King Street at Portland and King. So this is where we begin. They have everything right from disposable baking dishes, packing dishes, to the spatulas, cookery books, baking needs, small table heads, kitchen accessories. On the other side we have aluminium foils, parchment paper, film, printing, wrap, different boxes, table mats, cleaning accessories, gloves, scrubs. These are all list of scrubs. You can see. On this side we have some more wraps, cleaning department, tissues, and here we have more scrubbing, cleaning stuff, microfibers, mats, mops. Here we have more tissues, kitchen rolls, kitchen towels, bathroom towels. Obviously some more cleaning accessories. These are wet wipes, Lysol wet wipes. These are again some more bathroom supplies. And here are some dish cleaning services. These are some laundry supplies. All laundry supplies, and even here. So it's nicely put in different sections, so it's easy to find. Now you're entering the household section, so you can see a lot of candles, scented candles, a lot of them. Then moving to the electronic section, we have extensions, lights, even emergency lights, indicator lights, obviously tapes, bulbs, LED bulbs, even these boards, and some exercise stuff, car accessories, you name it and it's here. Cords, cables, cleaning stuff, painting accessories. These are the painting. This is more of the tools stuff. And now animal supplies, all your pet supplies, all of them. Something for snow cleaning, snowboarding, house cleaning. These are all pet supplies, and here you can see storage supplies. These are for kitchen supplies. All of them are for kitchen. If you want something for your children, you can find that too. Good stuff here. You can find a lot of kitchen supplies out here for the best prices. Cups, plates, crockery, Chinese crockery, Chinese prints, bags for your kids' gifts, After that, teddy bears, goblets. On this side, you have goblets and everything. And these are your kid supplies. This is so cute. And then it just looks like Christmas is back. A lot of supplies for the house, decoration items. If you have a party and you need some stuff, even that is available here. All the disposable items, plates, glasses, everything. Better quality disposable plates, reusable ones, biodegradable ones. Nice party stuff here. And here you also get cards if you've forgotten for $1. These are all party supplies, tables, cups, spoons, and these are also bags in your gifts. A lot of variety. Here's some knickknacks for your children, some games, some toys, stickers, a lot of Disney and Frozen stuff here. And here we have a lot of gift wrapping supplies. Everything, decoration flowers, even if you want to pack some edible items and make them, party decoration stuff, candles for your cake, more toys, games, yoga mats, even trophies, and some more soft toys. You can find some cute stuff. In addition to that, you have shampoos as well. And here we are doing a little more household stuff here. And these are some small things for kids. And these are all household stuff. All household stuff. And then you have artificial flowers to hang in your house. A lot of them. And now moving on to the clothing section, they have some scarves, caps, gloves, and more for the cleaning. Back to the clothing. And they have these cute little boxes for your art and craft section. So they have also stuff that you can buy for art and craft, make personalized gifts, paintings. This is all available here. And on this side we have all the clothing line, shoes, socks, neck pillows, everything. And on this side I have all the art and craft supplies. These are all art and craft supplies, and this is like a lot of stuff. It continues on here with some books for children. And on this side we have some small toys for children. These are some house supplies, photo frames for gifting, office accessories, organizers, a lot of organizers. And they also have some scents and some gift packs. Whatever you need, this is a one-stop place for everything. Here they have some more office supplies, files. They also have a small section for medicines and balms, cotton swabs, etc. We don't know about the quality of these masks. I would cover them in another video if I would like to do it. And we don't know methods. These are some things children would love. This also has some beauty products, a lot of them, basic stuff, hair massage, face massage, legs, feet cleaning, brushes. This is steel. Now, very good. These nail paints. Moving on to what was left. Grocery. We have stuff that doesn't get spoiled, like chocolates, biscuits, a lot of chocolates, pies, cereals, sweets. The list goes on and on. Coffee and bread. I wonder how they stock up with bread. Water, drinks, canned food. Not to forget canned food. So they have poutine sauce. You just need to fry the fries and put in the sauce. Ready to eat soups. Ready to eat noodles. And that's about it. So this is what you can get at Dollarama, and it is the first place that you should look for something, and I personally come here first because it's the closest to my house as well. And they even have mobile chargers and smart stuff, like these gifting chocolates, these drinks, these mobile chargers, and some knickknacks. Batteries, bouquet making stuff, and some technology stuff.
So guys, आपने देखा कि डॉलरामा में क्या क्या मिलता है, कितनी वैरायटी में मिलता है. But like I said, it is a compromise in quality for few things, like for example clothes or woolen zamas and fueling. But yet, so for things that you do not have any quality issues या कुछ भी, तो आप हमेशा सबसे पहले डॉलरामा विजिट करें, उसके बाद ही कहीं जाएं. So this is my suggestion. I hope you like this video.